All right, I really want this truck. Can this be exported back to the United States?
No, it cannot.
Oh, I really want it. How do you say it?
Hey, I felt very good. I'm gonna teach you. So the helper waterfall, it literally means helping waterfall.
You just have to get a closer look. And there's only one way to do that I know of.
What, go swimming?
Where am I? There I am. Miro says this rock is really super easy to get to, so we have to go to it.
I don't know, Chuck, I'm not sure.
What do we have here?
Edible berries.
Love you, Juliet. Is this considered, as we drive on this road, rough road, is this an F road?
Yeah, this is rough road.
This is an F road.
You can literally fly there instead of walking.
I almost lost my parka. That is insane. Insane. Don't go chasing waterfalls. But we got it with the drone, man. There's no way not to. So, this vast openness is kind of like the start of the Highlands.
Yes, exactly.
This is a place where we both really wanted to go, right, Lori? Like, get up here, because it's just not possible to do, like...
I didn't realize it was really, I think I first visited the Icelandic Highlands.
It's so expansive.
The deeper we go to the Highlands, the more dramatic landscape you will see.
So rules of driving. Is it
The bigger...
bigger has the right of way or the first? See, I was going to say it's either the first or the biggest.
Chuck, that's even cool right there.
This that there's spools on it. They're rolling spools of cable. And at this point, the roads started to get a little bit rougher than they were even before. This is our road.
It's our road. Just
Caution, danger.
I think I'd already be afraid inside.
Oh, that's just cool, man.
It doesn't look like we're gonna have blue water today. Both with Sigoldufoss and Sigöldugljúfur.
Oh, look, there she is.
Oh, interesting.
Oh, the water's kind of like dirty.
Yeah, recently there was a lot of
rain.
Yeah, a lot of rain and
It mudds it up.
yeah, definitely. I'm gonna deflate the tires. We're gonna be driving in the Highlands now for quite some time, so it's gonna be easier when I deflate the tires.
And with that, Meryl got right to work.
So we're actually stopped here for a second also to deflate the tires.
We're gonna air down for the real part of the Highlands here, which will be really cool. I don't know where Miro's taking us next. I don't remember.
But we're going on some more F roads and it's like super exciting.
This is crazy. You just can't do this with a regular rental car. I said it a billion times.
Wait, and we are going to be forging across the river.
Fording.
Mm.
The trunk, so I can connect them to all 4 tires and to deflate them into even pressure.
Ah, okay. It didn't take Miro very long to connect the 4 hoses to each of the 4 hubs, which works the deflation and inflation system that's built into his truck. Well, he actually added it to the truck. Miro, what's the name of those falls again?
The waterfall is called Sigoldufoss. Normally it's with a very blue turquoise water, but because we had a lot of rain recently, there's a lot of particles that were brought to water, and today we see a milky color.
A milky color. So it'd be normally like an icy blue, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Normally it's like a turquoise blue. Super beautiful.
Oh wow, it's still very cool and very drone worthy. So I guess
that's for sure.
All right. Well, and not windy like the last stop. So I think like
maybe we are covered with the mountains and.
Well, we'll take the wind.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna fly.
See about that on the next stops.
Damn it all. Okay. Sigoldufoss is normally a very bright turquoise color, but because of all the recent rain, it was much more milky. But still, it's an epic waterfall to get to check out, and it's not hard to get to as long as you have the right vehicle to reach it. And as a drone pilot, I'll tell you, it was one of my favorite waterfalls to fly to.
So we have found another beautiful falls.
Well, actually, Miro found another beautiful falls.
But it's just amazing.
Sigoldufoss, I think it is.
See, I don't try to say them sometimes because I mess up, but.
Let me take a picture of you together.
Where do you want us? We're not jumping though.
No, down here. I was down here before. Waiting for that one. You're swishing. You're swishing. You're swishing me. I have to take my head off this.
Awesome, great.
You did the swishy.
I did the smushy.
The swishy at the edge.
I don't know where I was pointing. I was trying to point there.
Nobody can feel the power down here.
And to hear it is really awesome. And although it might not look like much, there was a pretty steep climb back up to the top where the truck was.
The wind's pushing against me, Chuck.
Did you say you felt the burn?
I felt the burn going up there.
It was a steep climb. Look, it came from all the way down there. We're aired down. I think we're ready to rip. All right, hop back in. I don't know where we're going next.
We're ready to go on our next adventure.
Someplace crazy.
Yeah. Let me do this first.
You first.
So now that we connected the hoses to the wheels, these are all going to all individual tires. So I opened the valves, and the measurement on the total measurement is 27.7 psi. Right here, 27.7. So now I'm gonna be deflating the tires
Down
around 12 psi, and we can go. Actually, we can already go.
If I heard that sound and it wasn't planned, I'd be very upset. It'd be really bad.
We're losing something.
We're going down. It's crazy.
And of course the car is much wobbly now.
Well, yeah, that sidewall, sidewall wiggly.
But at the same time it's a lot smoother on this road. Much more comfortable, and it's also better for the suspension.
Well, now the tire's acting as more of a suspension. Yes, much more comfy. You have bead locks, right? The bead lock.
I don't have a bead locks, no. I have a extra edge on the rims, so that's why the tire sits better. But there's of course always a possibility that the tire will slip off the rim.
Yes.
And it actually did a few times.
Well, we don't want that.
We don't want that.
No.
But if it's gonna happen, we'll fix it. Look at this lava field.
It's crazy. And our next stop was one that I was looking forward to, well, forever. Sigolduljúfur. This one's more popular.
It's here on the left side.
This is a Valley of the Tears.
Yes.
Oh, it is?
Yes.
And there's a drone.
This one that truck was like,
I like flying a mini drone.
plain to do.
Yes, we put a new battery in for this one. This deserves full battery. It's a very popular drone spot.
You know why?
Why?
This is definitely drone worthy. Without a doubt.
1000%. Don't go chasing
Chasing
waterfalls.
waterfalls.
But we got it with the drone, man. There's no way not to. It just has to happen. This is happening. Sigolduljúfur is also known as the Valley of Tears, and this canyon had eluded us for 2 previous visits. Because of the heavy rainfall recently, the water wasn't its normal turquoise color. But that didn't stop us from seeing rainbows. The waterfalls are not natural. They're actually man-made by a hydroelectric plant. And the diverted water is what rains out of the sides of the canyon like tears. And after 2 years of being elusive, I finally got there with Lori, and I finally flew the drone. And that almost brought me to tears. Mira, how do you say Valley of Tears in
It's called Sigolduljúfur.
Sigolduljúfur?
Sigolduljúfur.
Sigolduljúfur.
Glúfur.
Sigolduljúfur.
Glúfur.
I have to get my Norwegian thing going with Icelandic.
I think it's working. Okay.
This is the coolest waterfall we've seen today so far, but this is the one that Lori and I really wanted to check out and get the drone in there and everything. So like,
So they've all been fantastic, but I think this is my favorite.
well, this is hard to compete with.
It's amazing.
This one's insane.
So beautiful.
That thing in front of us has big cojones. No way.
Yeah, there's a lot of these cars that get broken along the way.
Well, when he breaks down, then we'll have to go around him.
How do we get around?
We'll have to climb the rocks a little bit.
There is
Let the big boys pass. See ya.
There's a towing company that brings cars from here every single day,
I'm sure.
and the trip to Reykjavik from here is around $1,500.
It's actually cheap.
Not to mention,
Cheap. I would have thought it would be more expensive than that.
yeah,
I mean, I'm saying that's expensive, but it's like, it should be much, much, much more expensive.
yeah, that's true.
That's a lesson learned, though.
Yeah.
Maybe.
But then there's added cost of fixing the car. It's
Oh,
broken.
yeah. And loss of use by the rental car company, too.
Yeah,
That's really expensive.
yeah. The cost that.
So just don't do it. There's another one. I'm feeling like a wimp now because I don't dare take my rental car out here. This one actually is this section is almost like, I would do this for like, if I saw the parking lot, like where I was, you could drive
You
in.
could get.
Like Yoda Cape, I drove in.
Yeah.
But you did.
This is
you did
gutsy.
340, remember? You weren't supposed to in Hawaii. recording.
Yes.
That was scary.
Don't go chasing waterfalls. Listen to the rhythm and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or not at all. I just think you're moving too fast. Go chasing waterfalls. Listen to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. You know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all. You're moving too fast.